Today, we will uncover the secrets of imbalances and support and resistance flips with structured boxes. We will use our best momentum trading strategy with our best trading view indicator. If you are good to go, let's start now. Let's keep checking this magnificent alt USDT coin. I think there was a series of masterpiece actions happening on this coin. I will start with a top-down analysis from the weekly as usual. In our previous video, we talked about this weekly imbalance. We did a brainstorming if this was filling the weekly imbalance or not. Now I want to give you some tips and tricks about support and resistance flip points. As you already know that I love SR flip areas to take trades. But do you know that you can use the SR flips as targets as well? Yes, you heard it right. It can support your ordinary targets with imbalances. When I look at the daily, we were filling these tiny imbalances and buyers gained full control here. They pushed this coin as much as higher possible. Now all this is great, but we need momentum to trade. Let's take a look. Okay, what do you see here? Come on, what do you see? Tell me. Do you notice this inner SR momentum flip? It is almost visible with every single time frame here. And notice what we have here. Yes, our supercharged triple imbalance tap. If you remember the masterclass, I told you about the importance of SR flips and combining it with our price action concepts makes everything much more powerful. Now, let's check out the lower time frames and discuss about possible trades. What is the importance of this point? Why in the world I only choose this point, this swing point, but not others? This is the point where the price taps three different imbalances from the higher time frames. And it is also supported by the 3-minute inner imbalance. Now notice the price switch here. Okay. Here's my second tip for the day. Market structure breaks or price switches. These are almost everywhere. I can point out 10 different price switches in this chart. But the most important thing is how you combine it with higher time frames, just like in this example. So, with this rally entry, even if you are late, that is a clean 5% move to catch here. A clean and good trade. Now, if you have used risk-reward entry with a large stop loss like this one, the stop with the low swing point which covers the deeper imbalances, you still could have caught a clean 2-hour trade. Rally or risk-reward. The choice is yours. As usual, you missed that beautiful entry again because you're a very busy person and impatient to wait any kind of trades. Jokes aside, how to trade this again? Remember, there is always a next trade if you are patient enough. Notice what happens here. Price strongly breaks upwards, creating a very lovely structured box which is also fueled by this inner imbalance. Remember the masterclass and tricks of stronger structured boxes I have taught you. Then you have two entry possibilities with these two imbalances. Which one is going to work? I have no idea. No one in the world knows which imbalances will work or not. It is all about being patient, waiting, and watching the reaction. Notice what happens here. Price comes down here and makes another micro price switch. And then you make your micro rally entry. In this case, there is a still clean 3% move to catch here, even if you miss the first trade. And if you use the risk and reward here, you can still have a 1.5R or even 2R clean trade here. Again, the choice is yours, and it depends on your trading style. Okay friends, ending this lovely video. See you next time, and please take care.